how to sidechain your reverb in the earlier version of flstudio. So you have your melody, you link it to the mixer, insert one or whatever. Okay, so you need to have your reverb in scene 1. For example, Valhalla. Okay, so now you send it to the reverb. Okay, now on insert 1 you add the controller. Okay, now you go to the slider of scene 1, right click, link to controller. So here you go to pick controller, insert 1 pick. Here you go inverted, and you can put here 0.8 accepted. Okay, now you have this. Sorry, you have to unmute it. So you go to pick controller, unmute. And you should have it now.